Oh, geez, this is wonderful. Last night I slept at the Holiday Inn, and for whatever reason our rooms weren't ready for us, or they weren't booked, or I'm not sure what happened, but we ended up coming to a new hotel here, and it just so happens to be a resort right on Lake Monroe. And I have access to this pretty much entire shoreline and this boat area. At least nobody's told me I can't be here yet. I asked the lady at the front desk, there was a fish right there, looked like a striped bass. I have a bobber right over there too. I asked the lady at the front desk and if they allow fishing, and yeah. So we're gonna give her heck, see what we can do. I had one bite on a suspended shrimp on this one, and just still hanging out, waiting for some more action. Hopefully I can catch some largemouth, some striped bass, or wipers. I'm not sure which ones they are. I've heard kind of both, but and also catfish. There's some really big catfish in here. So we're gonna give her heck, see what we can do. Alright, I have a really good bite right now, and it's on shrimp, and it's just taking it like crazy, and this is how it's been going the whole time. So here we go. Got him. Fish on, feels good. Yeah, feels good. Man, he took it and just went with it. That thing was singing. He doesn't feel very big though, really. Unless he doesn't know he's hooked, which could be a possibility. Yeah, he doesn't feel that big. And he's going way under the dock. Ooh, it's a nice catfish. Oh man. Oh man, are you kidding me? It's a way nice catfish. Oh geez. That's why it went zinging. Don't get me caught up down there, bud. Uh-oh. Come back out. Oh yeah, this is a nice catfish. Oh, I don't know what kind. It looked like a channel cat. Easy fish. Don't bust me off. This fish definitely didn't know he was hooked. I just caught a glimpse of him. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. How many days do I have? Oh, look at that. Oh man, look at that. That's a big old cat. Big old catfish here. Oh man, I need a net. Should have got one of those at Walmart. No wonder why he just took off. Oh yeah. On this, this is on the suspended one. This is on the suspended shrimp. All right. Man, I wish I had a net right now. This is not good. Gonna get the scale out for this one. He's not that big, but I mean, he's a good catfish. This is a good catfish right here, and it is caught. This guy is caught. Oh man, I am so excited. First night out here. This is, I'm staying at the Four Winds Resort in Indiana, right near Bloomington, about 20 miles outside of Bloomington or so. And the place is super nice. My room is just spectacular. It has a full-size fridge, microwave, kitchenette, the whole works. Even a balcony overlooking the lake. Just amazing. All right, this cat weighs in at 7 pounds, 7 ounces. Awesome. Real nice channel cat. First one of the trip. First one of the night. Been out here about an hour. I'd say probably 32 inches long. Just a darn good looking catfish right there. Woo! If this is what this place has to offer, I'm gonna have fun. I am gonna have fun. These spiders are a little bit crazy though. Seriously. Ready, bud? See ya. Down. Alright, we'll rebait and get all set up again. That was not very long. Not very long at all. Feeling pumped right now. Alright, we are seriously 5 minutes later, after, not even, right after throwing this thing out after that fish, and we've got another one going to town on it. Got him. Set the drag when my spool was loose, but I got a good hook set in him. He doesn't feel big, but that's what the last one did, so just check my drag. Uh-oh. I think I got snagged up. Yep. Oh man, he is snagged up. Come on, bud, get it out of there. Bummer. Come on. What's it snagged on? Are you kidding me? Fish is even still on there. Don't give up on it. Come on, don't give up on it. Oh, and it broke. It was coming. I feel sorry for that fish. He's stuck down there now. He should feel sorry for me. I gotta retie. Ah, man. Just ran up to my room, Went and made a quick meal. Beef Merlot. Atkins. Oh yeah. Yummy, yummy. I'm hungry. Get back down there, see what we got. I'm fishing right at the end of that dock right there. Alright, well, this is where I'm staying. Right next to the lake. It's Four Winds Marina and Resort. You can rent boats from down there. They have a little beach area, putt, golf. Honestly, I haven't even been able to take a stroll around and see what all they have, but it's really nice and all the fishing you can want. Cool. Alright, well, I went and asked if I could fish at the end of the dock, and he said yes. So, I'm going to move out there. Probably not going to be better for bass, but for catfish and striped bass, I think it'll be better. We'll see. And I should be alright for right now. That was a good bite. Unfortunately, I don't think he's taken it. I was talking with one of the girls at work here, cleaning the room, and she said she caught a 17-pound catfish right over there. And why do they do that? They just end up letting it go. There we go. There we go. He came back for it. He came back for it. Shoot, I may not move. He came back for it. All right, there's a nice channel. This is on chicken liver. All right. That's cool. Nice fish right there. Not huge. Probably 20 inches. Good looking fish. Oh. Got a nice channel here. Nice fish. He's talking a little bit. See you, bud. I don't know if I'm gonna move now.